Hey there, disturbance. In this video, I'm going to show you AEX ROM for the Moto G4 Plus. This is the extended version of the Aosp ROM. Let me show you the settings and features of this ROM. So this ROM has various extensions and lots of customization. Let me show you the available customizations in this ROM. There are two types of recents panels. You can adjust them from the recents option below, and we have lock screen UI, and we have pretty much everything is personalizable, and we have tools for everything, like for setting the blur options in the lock screen, to changing the recents bar from the navigation buttons to notification panel. Everything is customizable. This is the buy option available in this ROM. We also have the option to check the permissions given to the apps, and coming to the storage, that is the storage, and we have the memory, that is the remaining memory we have, and we also have ambient display in this ROM. So coming to the battery, I will show you the status of the battery later in this video. And we also have the traditional Moto gestures available in the Moto app in the stock ROM. And that version is 7.1.2, and let me show you the camera. And this is the problem in the ROM. The recents apps doesn't show, and we should click again the recents panel for the app to show. Let me show you the same. Oh, we don't have any recents. Now click it. Now you can see we can get the messenger and browser. This is the problem with the ROM. There's a bug in the ROM, and it will be fixed in the later updates. So let us see the gaming performance. Let me show you the graphics settings, and it is set to high. Now let's play a race, and we can check how much battery drain we are going to see in this ROM. We can see that there is only less amount of drain, like 3% of this battery is drained in this ROM. Now let me show you the charging and discharging speeds.